I'm so blown away. How do you feel about a pastel coloured ceiling?
I would love that.
Would
Definitely,
you?
Yeah.
Using different shades on the ceiling rather than plain white can make a real statement.
Okay, so this is the colour I saw and immediately thought of you, Katie.
Oh, I love it.
Ooh.
It's really nice.
Every time I see yellow, sunshine, happiness, I think of you guys. So.
Starting to layer in pastel pops of colour throughout the kitchen will add contrast to their bright white units.
It's very nice. Don't stop now, though. It's still a bit more.
If you love it,
He's getting bossy.
then here you go.
Thank you.
I'm so blown away. This is your hard work.
Yeah.
I love all of the pops of colour.
Yeah.
The yellow ceiling really
Yeah,
works, doesn't
yeah.
it? And all of the handles and the tiles and the archway. Because
Definitely.
they're all part of the same pastel palette.
Yeah.
Every little pop of colour
Yeah.
drives you to the next pop of colour and it just works.
Yeah.